I've always gravitated towards a style that's rooted in classic shapes but with a twist. I build from timeless silhouettes like well-cut tailoring and combine it with a restrained palette as the true foundation for how I dress. I really like a hint of 60s or 70s in cut, so mini lengths or a sharp oversized lapel. Over the years, I've collected pieces I know I'll return to again and again. There's a vintage silk skirt I found in Milan I wear with everything, and I collect vintage silk slips because if you treat them well, they can last a lifetime and then some. I have a few essential tailored pieces, a blazer I bought in Paris that works for things like Fashion Week and work meetings, and some tailored pants I bought in New York that I travel everywhere with. Both are vintage, so I take particular care of them because garments like these are rare and crafted with a quality that's really hard to find today. For me, building an intentional wardrobe also means caring for it properly, which I can do effortlessly with appliances that are purpose engineered. Silk requires extra attention, especially when it's vintage. I use Miele's ultra gentle silk cycle, and the honeycomb drum allows the fabric to glide and never catch. My cashmere and wool pieces are some of the hardest working items I own. Drying them carefully with Miele's wool dry cycle means they stay perfectly in shape and last so much longer. This level of care gives me the freedom to buy pieces that I fall in love with, but I don't have to feel too precious about. My wardrobe's full of memories, and when I open the doors, I think of my travels, the places I've been lucky enough to go to for work, moments I've celebrated, and milestones in my life. It's like my personal archive, a collection to me, and it's truly irreplaceable.